have a lot of fun PR to get through, so let's do a PR haul. Thank you to all the brands that sent over product to me. So excited to try it, but I also want to give back to you guys and my community, so be sure to comment and let me know what you're eyeing. I'll pick some of you guys to send things to. Be sure to like and follow me as well. Let's jump right in. Creative packaging. Tarte came out with eyeshadow crayons, waterproof wear, shimmer and matte, and it has a built-in smudger. Here are the colors. So pretty, Lawless and Love Shack Fancy collab. I love their lip plumping glosses, and look how cute the packaging is. This is new from Paula's Choice. It says, meet the new Peptide Power Player. Pro Collagen Peptide Firming Eye Serum in here, the Gloss Bomb, and their Peptide Plumping Moisturizer. More plumpity plump things. This is from L'Oreal. It's their new Plump Ambition Lip Oil. Some goodies from Love Wellness. This is the Fiber Capsule, Hello Burn Energize Electrolytes, and the Daily Love Electrolytes. This is from By Rosie Jane, the Wake Body Wash, Wake Body Milk, bath oil, and a deodorant. Literally my first time ever getting Runavaz products. I love them. I've purchased their serum before, their saffron serum. It's so good. Brightening Saffron Essence, Brightening Mineral Sunscreen, and the saffron serum. Always happy when I get a Summer Fridays package because they come out with the best products. This is their Gentle Reset Daily Exfoliating Pads. One of my friends that I follow, she's such a queen. She's like the smartest person I know, but she launched a skincare brand, Avara. Look at this packaging. Clarifying Hydrator Mist. So stunning. Hair goodies from Wellbell. We have their shampoo and conditioner. From First Aid Beauty, this targets acne. This is Clearer Days Ahead. The clearing pads, we have a little mist for body acne, and then we have a daily resurfacing lotion. Eyeshadow sticks from Bobbi Brown, and I love that they put this in this little travel case. Makeup from Milk, we have shades 7 and 8 in their skin tint, and then also a jelly tint and like an eyeliner. Acton Acre, I love this brand for hair care. I use their scalp serum. This is their Daily Hydro Scalp Serum. And they also sent over their new Daily Hydro shampoo and conditioner. Goodies from Nude Sticks. Honestly, such a throwback. I used to use this like years back whenever I lived in LA. This is their like bronzer stick here. Any size products for traveling. Glow wherever you go. It's like a boarding pass. This is creative. One size came out with Airbrush Finishing Powder. Airbrush Silk Finish Sheer Dimensional Coverage 12-hour wear. This is shade Fair. L'Oreal came out with this serum, and it's like 2 serums in 1 to help with aging. And look at that packaging. I just feel like I won the lottery. So many Danessa Myricks products. Serum Skin Tint in 2 shades. Concealers over here. The Moisture Repair Balm Serum. Or skin tints in a couple other shades. Blurring Balm Powder and a complexion brush. Cute packaging. This is from Plant Therapy. It's 100% natural products. And so we have like lotion, a pillow spray, a little sniffle stopper balm. How cute. 20 years of Tarte. She sent over like a bunch of products. Look how big this Maracuja Juicy Lip is. Goodies from Merit Beauty. Perfume from Ellis Brooklyn. This is the Vanilla Salt perfume, and then a mini like Apple Love travel size version perfume. You can get Supergoop at Amazon now. First of all, I'm obsessed with the little keychain yellow scrunchie. Ton of SPF in here. Their Glow Screen is my favorite SPF product. Tatcha came out with a new serum. It's called the Longevity Serum. It boosts surface cell turnover for a smoother skin. Products from OneSkin. Goodies from Wander Beauty. I love their rose gold eye masks. A little restock of some favorites also from Milk Makeup. It's really cute. From Playhouse MD, they created products for like when the kiddos are sick and then just made them more exciting and fun and creative. How cute, and it lights up. This is from Fleur, and it's their Cherry Stem perfume. And then there's also like a little, I believe this is a roller. Also good. It's kind of more of like a subtle cherry, but still sweet. I like this a lot. This is Too Faced new formula. It's like a whipped lip oil and a cheek color. Here's what this looks like. I just want to open it to show y'all like the applicator. Coterie came out with skincare. Body cleanser for babies, body moisturizer. This is a bun balm. Honestly, I just know this is gonna be fantastic. Some more Pixie goodies. These are their vitamin C tonic, the glow tonic, and then the antioxidant. Oh, it's like a briefcase. Open it up. New Original Pressed Powder Foundation with SPF 15. Here's one of the shades. Last but not least, we have goodies from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Micro Stroke Brow Pen. This is so exciting. Lots of different shades in here. I'm sure it's gonna give like really nice hair-like strokes. Velvet Matte Lipstick, and these are in their fall shades. Anastasia just nails it with their packaging, but we have some new fall shades here. So stunning. So we have a few lip liners in here as well. Okay, lots of goodies. If you are eyeing anything, please let me know, comment it, and be sure you're following me here and on the other app. Same handle. Love you guys. Bye.